Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. Yandy Blendz about to get busy. Check out this crazy haircut transformation. I'm getting started. I'm going right in. Clipper over comb, no guards. Got my clipper. Number one on the joint. But we using that Metal Visionary aluminum coin because we got a lot of hair to work with and we don't need no plastic combs right now to kink. Alright, so check it out. We just going through, we taking out that bulk like we mad at it. We ain't playing no games, we going right in, man. As you can see, with the number one, now we marking our first guideline. Number one all the way like a drop fade. Look at this, look how it's already coming together quickly, because when I see hair like this, I don't get scared, I don't back up. I'm like, let's battle, let's go, let's handle my business. Don't be scared. You feel me? You just gotta go in, go all in. No excuses. It don't matter the hair texture. It don't matter how hairy the guy is, how long he hasn't had it cut in. No excuses. You a barber. You're supposed to go in hands down no matter what situation you in. So, hey, hit it right there with the Andes. Well, I'm using the Andes Masters. I'm using the zero gap. Not the flat blade, the tapered blade on it. And check out, man. We already looking clean, boy. I'm hitting it now with the high zero, but the high zero ain't the high zero from the wall senior or the wall magic clip. This is equivalent to a number one, so take that into consideration and take that in mind. Look how I am fading this in with the half already. It's already coming together, and I'ma just keep on going, cleaning up all the little hairs from the trimmer line to the all the way to the half. Now we grabbing a tapered comb. I'm using a red comb at this moment. You can see the hairs as you can see. I know on the video it looks a lot better for y'all, so I use the red comb. I use it to take out any places where there dense hair, where there is harder lines and I can't get in with the clippers, or it makes it a lot easier with those tapered combs. Here I'm using the thinning shears, the Visionary thinning shears with the gold Visionary comb aluminum. Like I said, I don't need no plastic comb for this hair type because we have to go through a lot of hair and a lot of pulling, so you don't want it to kink and just not do the job right. So keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna mark my corners. I'm marking my corners. I'm just doing what I love. This is what I do. Look how I do the shape up. It's a feeling thing. When you love what you do, the game come easy to you. Come easy to you. You know, I do this for fun, like I said. Look at me just going in with the Andes clipper over comb. Great combination right there. Just taking out that bulk. I'm debulking right now. This actual plastic comb is very strong, so this one is actually, you can use for clipper over comb. But you see how I'm just looking for dark areas? I'm just trying to, right in the middle, you have that dark area. I'm just trying to get it out with the number one or the Andes Masters. I'm passing the shaver just to get that nice skin tight fade and get it looking right. So let's get it, okay? We ain't playing no games, like I said. I grabbed my gold gamma, I brought it out, yes I did. Look at them corners, look at them corner flicks. It's all about the motion, it's all about the stroke. How you pursue what you're doing, your craft. You gotta do it with purpose, with passion, with discipline, with mindset. It's not just gonna come easy one day to another. You gotta put in hard work day in, day out. Be the first one at the shop, the last one out. You gotta grind, you gotta want this. Don't talk about it, be about it. A lot of people talk a good game, I'm gonna be this, I'm gonna be that, but that's all they do. You never see them nowhere from here to a few years. They still in the same spot. Why? Because they still, in their mind, they think they know it all, instead of just, focusing on going in. So here, guys, let's get back to the tutorial. I'm debulking everything. This is crazy. Can you guys see the amount of density, the amount of hair, how I'm just going in? no mercy. Like, I'm murking this. I'm actually proud of myself. I handled my business today. And you know, the client was happy. He showed me a picture of a client's haircut, and I'm like, bro, that's what you want? I'm gonna make it look 10 times better. Watch, we compare pictures and everything. So I'm just going in, clipper over comb, just taking out all that bulk, you know, using that comb as if it was a guard, you know, because you have all control. It's like having a manual camera or a stick shift car. You're in control, so you control what gear to go in, you know, what focus to go in, if we referring to cameras. So you got the control when you're in manual mode, all right? Just remember that. Guards are cool and everything, but when you learn to dominate different little techniques, they will take you far. Like in hairs like this, saved me a lot of time. I actually did this cut in under 40 minutes actually, with the video, with everything, with the production. I killed this thing. I went all in. I marked that guideline like I did right now. I'm using the half all the way around, working my way up, just cleaning that. You know, once you debulk the right way, everything else just falls into place. Then you just gotta worry about, you know, blending in the little dark spots that are freaking annoying sometimes. That those are the hardest things to blend out. But hey, not everything could be easy, because if it was easy, everybody would do it. Yandy Blendz, baby, let's get it. Let's go. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all enjoying this video. Let me know what can I do better for the next video. What type of video would you like to see? And hey, how can we improve, man? I'm always looking for ways to improve. So, you know, everything is about growth. Everything is about learning new things every day. You gotta take your ass back to school, bruh. Stop playing, man. Take your ass back to school and start learning some new things. We sponges, we supposed to absorb new things and learn new things. This work got us distracted and got us caught up, but you gotta get focused. Alright? So I'm going in with one of my favorite combs. This one is a plastic comb, but this is a sturdy comb, and I love this comb. I'm going in, I'm just taking out any taking out any hard lines that I see, any dark spots. I'm using the lever open. It creates a little bit of texture and it helps me, you know, be a little safer with my precision and with my strokes. I'm winning the hair thoroughly with the Visionary Gold bottle, and I'm just gonna cut the top with the shears. I'm not a big fan of sectioning all the hair and going in, especially on this hair type, you know, because it's a curl look. So you just go all in and you just cross check it and make sure everything is even. You know, it'll save you a lot of time and it'll still come out the same or better. You will see. I just do a little bit of cross check at the end, like I said, and make sure everything is even. To be a barber, you have to learn a little bit of everything. You have to always evolve. You have to learn new techniques. If not, you'll stay behind. Like a lot of folks I know, man. They grew up with me, but they ain't nowhere to be seen. People I looked up to, barbers I looked up to, you know, and they gone. You don't know, they buried because you don't hear about them anymore. Don't be one of those barbers. Let's get it. I'm using my 30 shears all the way around, looking for dark areas, making sure that blend comes out nice and right, and it's debulking the right way, like it's smooth. Like when his hair grows back, it grows back the right way, not the, you know, choppy way like other haircuts I see when they come in my chair from other barbers. Sorry guys, y'all just don't cut it sometimes, but hey, we all been there, man. Just keep working at it, don't stop. It will get easier, guys. Alright, I'm thinning out some of the thick areas on top just so everything falls into place. Usually the back is thicker than the front, so you tend to thin out the parts that are actually thicker so the front falls into place with the back. Using my Visionary razor. You see the haircut right there? Man, that's what he wanted, and look what I gave him. Huh. I told you I wasn't playing no games, man. That's what the client asked for, and this is what I'm gonna give him. Cause it's what I do. I'm a transformation king, baby. Just a little confident. Not a little, I'm very confident in my work. Very confident. Don't take it as if I'm cocky or anything like that. Hey, I just love what I do and I'm passionate about it. Hey man, I'm giving you some tips and tricks. Look at this razor over comb technique, baby. Wait, y'all see that? I've been doing this for decades, guys, but hey, this is what I do, man. Look how I blend it in. The razor helps me get the areas, the dark areas that I can't get in with the clippers or any shears or guards. I just go in there directly, manual mode, baby. I'm Rambo with this shit. Woo. Man, I love what I do. I love watching my videos because I know that I be going in. And I always look for ways to improve also. So guys, remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you like any of my products, go to visionarybarbers.com. Check out the store, show some support, show some love always. I'm gonna keep these tutorials going, guys. My goal is to put out, a few tutorials a week on YouTube. So the more you guys engage with them, the more like I will feel motivated, passionate more to even do it. I mean, I am passionate to do it, but the more you guys show me love, they show me a lot of love in all the platforms. I want more love in here so I can keep going harder here for y'all. And I'm gonna give you the exclusive. Dusting off the client helps out tremendously just to make sure everything is good, and clean and you see everything. Check out my guy. Hey, God bless y'all, man. Let's get it. Lowfade, baby. Y'all stay up. Subscribe, baby. Yandy Blendz.